AZTR. The stock is showing a reasonable amount of strength within a longer term bearish trend. It's 200-day moving average. This one is sloping bearishly lower. It is up 53, 54% roughly. This is Wednesday, the 27th of August. Yeah, the company indicated that it has dosed the first patient in a phase one of two clinical study evaluating its ATR 04-484 biotherapeutic candidate intended to treat skin rashes associated with epidermal growth factor receptor inhibitors. Epidermal growth factor receptor inhibitors are targeted cancer therapies used in treatments for non small cell lung cancer and colorectal cancer, but can cause dermatological toxicities like papulopustular rashes, according to the company. Okay, let's take that word again. Papulop, papulopustula. Okay, yeah. So that's what's going on. Underlying trend, yeah, as I indicated earlier on, bearishly lower. Here we can see here last 1 year down at 4.78%. That's just validates what's going on with the underlying trend. No intraday high here. Intraday high printed on the 21st. That was Thursday last week. So that value is 1.73. So it is indeed an upper projection. So the extrapolation is saying that the strength will remain in place up till Tuesday, the 2nd of September. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. In terms of projections, we have downward projections 0.3854, 0.5963, 0.9377. Let's see what we have. Previously, as of the 24th of July, we had 179. Yeah, 179 has not been met since that time. $1922. Before then, we had, including the downward projections I mentioned earlier on, we also had 2.17, 2.42, 2.58. There's also chatter about a possible short squeeze on stock tweets, but no guarantee that that will happen. The price pressure momentum on this daily chart has not just one positive value. The 10-day moving average is still in a trend mode. So in other words, it's indicating that yeah, the stock was severely bearish prior to now. So things maybe, if you like, gradually improving, but at the same time, it could also mean that it may not be able to retest the highs of 1.43 that the extrapolation is saying, or probably retest 1.73 that it printed as of last week. It may not be able to do that. On the 4 hour chart, let's see what we have. This was Thursday's spike. Okay, let's see what we have. We have extrapolation is saying that strength will remain in place up till yeah, the close of today's trading session, and then after that we may get a contraction that will remain in place up till Monday, the 8th of September. No guarantee that will be the case as well. Projections saying 1.30. We have already seen even higher projections. Price pressure momentum is yeah, a lot stronger here, a lot better, but derivatives are still very, very, very bearish. Maybe a testament to how low the stock is rising from the debts that the stock is rising from. So at the same time, it could also mean that the fact that it has not been able to um, neutralize the negativity in these derivatives for now, maybe it may mean that it may continue to do so, or it may not be able to finish up. And so that is why we can clearly see here the extrapolation is saying a reversal is imminent. At the same time, the daily chart is saying that it's not going to be imminent. It's going to last for a couple of days. So it's a divergence there we have. So let's see how the active the market is. So one, this is the current prevailing price. So in this lot, you have the aggressors and the passive investors or traders. Yeah, the others are going through. They are ruling the market now. Obviously, you can see these guys are not they're not aggressors. Okay, so the price has moved as well. You can see now it has eliminated some, or some went through, and the price went up. Yeah, these guys want to sell. These guys want to sell. This lot wants to sell at a higher price. Yeah, I can see aggression. Those orders went through. Then it has forced up the price. Yeah, on stock tweets, there's a chat about a possible short squeeze. That's what I have to. I'm trying to remind you again. Yeah, but we may not have that. Yeah, they're forcing up the stock, forcing up the price. Quite the stock is the market for the stock is quite liquid. One of the most active stocks at the moment. One of the most active stocks at the moment. We can get the volume for today. Right, we might be able to get it. Let's see. The volume 31.162 million shares. It could be more. Let's validate that on the daily chart here. 75.74 million. Yeah. Okay. 75.74 million. It is one of the most active in today's session. Yeah. Okay, just have a look and see what you make of SDTR. It's definitely not the best time to buy the stock. Definitely not the best. This short sellers are waiting to bring it down. Just be very much aware. This is not the best time at all. Okay, so I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.